Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get notes on Instagram. Let's get started. To begin, go to App Store or Play Market depending on whether you're using iOS or Android. And then just search for Instagram. Now click on Instagram and ensure that you have the latest Instagram update to access the newest features. So in Instagram's page in the App Store, you will either see Open or Update. If it shows Update, simply tap on it to download and install the latest version. Once you've successfully installed the latest update, go to Instagram app and navigate to your direct messages. And you should now see the new notes feature. Click on the plus sign beside your name to add a note. And click share. And that's it. That's how you can easily get notes on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!